But yeah, they got a lot out of it. And I designed the course where it doesn't just end with the Holocaust ending or the state of Israel being created, that they had a significant period of time to what I call decompress, the process. What have you learned from this? What is the meaning of all this? Not just what happened in a certain time period. So we start talking about the meaning of justice in the Holocaust, the philosophical issues, the moral issues, religious issues, how they relate to our own times, the difficulties, civil liberties issues, freedom of speech issues. And this was, I think, the most meaningful part of the course. And I always said I got some other people to help teach the course eventually. Okay, I said, you have to get to this part of the course. You just can't, even if you're falling behind, and you always do fall behind, as a teacher, you can't not do the end part of the course because it's so important for them to come out of the course with a better understanding of what this all means. And that's the part of the course where they all said how meaningful it was. They had a journal they could write, different topics. I think I gave them 12 options. They picked like 3 or 4 to write on as their final exam. And and you had students always come back to you talking about how meaningful. And we're talking about non-Jews here in many cases, of course, how it changed their lives and so forth.